Hello everyone, how are you all? Yesterday I have told you about animals vary in their outer body covering. Today we are on page number 41. Yesterday I have told you about animals vary in their outer covering as scales, fur, shells and feathers. They are the body covering of animals. But today you are on page number 41 and you will study about what do animals eat. So animals eat different types of food. Some animals eat grass and some eat flesh of other animals. So first of all we will study from here. Animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat grass and leaves of plants, whereas some of them eat other animals. Some animals eat grass and they are called herbivores. So what are herbivores? So herbivores eat grass. They have flat teeth for grinding their food. So what are herbivores? Herbivores eat grass and they have flat teeth for grinding their food. Next one is some animals eat other animals. They are called carnivores. So what are carnivores? Those eat flesh. Those eat other animals. They are called carnivores. Carnivores eat the flesh of other animals. They have pointed teeth to tear flesh. So what are carnivores? Carnivores eat other animals. They have sharp pointed teeth to tear flesh. Now, some animals like bears eat both plant products and flesh. They are called omnivores. So, what are omnivores? Animals, those eat flesh and plant product both. They are called omnivores. So, today I have told you about herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now you are on page number 42. I have explained page number 41. On page number 41, what you have discussed? What we have discussed? We have discussed about what do animals eat? Means herbivores, omnivores and carnivores. Now page number 42. Animals have unique types of movement. So all animals move from one place to another to get their food. Animals move from one place to another place. Movement using body parts. So animals move from one place to another by their body parts. How? Birds fly using their wings to get their food. Fish swim using their fins. Dolphin, penguins and seals move using their flippers. So you can see flippers of dolphin, penguin and seals. Now, why can birds fly when they flap their wings? But we can't when we flap our arms. Yes, very good question. Can you flap your arms and you can move? You can move by flapping your arms? No. So you cannot fly by your arms. But birds can fly. Birds are very light. Their bones are hollow and they have feathers which help them to fly. So how birds can fly? So birds can fly by their feathers, by bones that are hollow. So you know that in birds' bones air is filled inside it, so that bones become more light and birds can fly. Humans use their legs to move from place to place. Some other animals such as dogs, cats and horses and cows also use their legs to move. So humans use their legs. How humans move from one place to another place? By their legs. Some other animals such as dog, cat, horses and cows also use their legs to move. Now I am explaining this page from starting again. You are on page number 42. So animals have body parts that help to move from place to place. As birds have wings to fly, fishes have fins to swim, dolphins and penguins and seals move using their flippers. As penguins flippers you can see, and dolphin also and seals also have flippers. Now why can birds fly when they flap their wings? But when we flap our arms we can't. Why? Because birds are very light. How? Because the birds of bones are very light to fly. Because air is filled inside the bones. Because bones are hollow from inside, just like a pipe. Have you seen pipe that you use for watering the plants? So pipe is hollow from inside, and after that water filled inside the pipe. As in birds' bones, air filled inside it. Now humans use their legs to move from place to place. We are humans, so how can we move from place to place? By our legs. Some other animals such as dog, cat, horses, they also use their legs. Dogs, cats and cows move from place to place using their foreleg. Yes, cows have four legs. Dogs have four legs. Monkeys move from place to place using their arms and legs. Monkeys have legs, arms and tails. Some animals use all four limbs. So this will explain tomorrow. Thank you very much, class.